today a challenge. We're gonna call it what's that smell challenge.
What's that smell?
What's that smell? So what we're gonna do is we each selected 3 items that we brought. It's so that we don't know what items it is. We got bags and
Put 2 of my items in Myra's bag.
okay.
And Myra put 2 of her items in Val's bag, and then Val put 2 of her items in my bag.
And I put one item in Dez's bag, if that makes sense.
It makes sense.
But we're all gonna be smelling stuff.
We're gonna be blindfolded, guys. Hopefully it doesn't mess with our eyelashes.
Myra's
gonna go first because she lost rock,
We did
paper,
rock,
scissors.
paper, scissors, and she lost.
No one plays rock, paper, scissors anymore.
And I'm gonna go second, and then Miss Dez is gonna be the last one.
She's gonna be the finished finale.
You saved the best for last. So
Ew,
we'll
Miss
see how
Myra.
this goes. We have this tray where we're gonna put the items in, and then Myra's gonna
Let me
take
go
a
get the
sniff.
one
What if
that
my
I
nose
kept
doesn't
out.
work,
Hold on, give me a
guys?
second.
Show the 3 items. So first off, Miss Myra, let's see if you can guess what this smell is.
It smells like clean what Luis uses to clean our floors.
What is it?
I don't know what it's called. The clean thing for the floor. Pine Sol or something?
Can you guys?
I don't know, whatever it's called.
Let me see, I want to smell. Ooh, it smells bomb.
Ooh, I love that smell though.
When I was little, I used to keep one of these in my room, and then I used to just smell it every now and then.
Weirdo.
Yeah, you have problems.
What is it called? What is it?
What is it, Myra?
I don't know, Pine Sol or
Lasha?
something. I
Okay,
don't
she
know.
put in Pine Sol.
It smells like a... Hold on, it smells like a peanut.
A peanut. Is that your final answer?
I don't know. Hold on, give me a second. I don't know, a potato?
A potato.
A freaking peanut? I don't know. A peanut.
Okay, a peanut.
Peanut?
Okay, and then your last item.
This one's easy.
Ah, I knew you were gonna bring a pickle.
Is that a pickle? Yeah.
I hate pickles. Why did you put that in
That's
my
why
nose?
I gave it to you.
Okay, now to reveal, Myra.
Take off the blindfold. So the first one was fabuloso.
Pine Sol. It was fabuloso.
Oh,
You said
Pine
Pine
Sol?
Sol. It was pretty close. And yes, Luis does use this to clean our.
Yeah, that
you were
smells
right.
good.
I was like,
that.
I'm gonna bring this because it's such like if you don't get it, like I swear. The second one you said peanut.
It's a potato chip.
Oh,
chips.
potato chips.
She was close. She was close. And then last one, of course, she got was pickles.
Oh, I
love
hate
you on
pickles. How can you guys eat those disgusting, greasy things?
I was just like, this
They're
looks
not
like a
greasy.
good combo right here, doesn't it?
They're not greasy.
Not really.
Okay, Myra. So I guess
I like pickles.
I'm next, right? No.
So Val is next.
Oh, it doesn't.
Okay. So these are Myra's items, guys.
These are my items.
So these are our items for Val. So we got this. This
Oh, I
little going on.
smell.
We have one of these going on, and then we got some little things going on in here as well.
Please, let's start with this one. This is
Okay, first item.
What's the smell, Val?
Is that brush cleaner? It's a brush, a dirty brush.
Nasty.
Is that your final guess?
Hold on, let me see. Yeah, it's a dirty brush.
That's okay. That's your final answer.
Yeah.
Next item.
Next item.
Okay, this is like, that's like, is that nail polish or nail polish remover?
I don't know.
Nail polish? Let me
Val.
smell it again.
It's right here. Smell. Don't get too.
Yeah, that's like, it's like Drano or nail polish. I know it's not. Nail polish smells,
You want to smell it again?
yeah.
Okay.
I know that smell. Is it white out? White out. It's white out.
You're gonna go with white out?
Let me smell it. It's a Sharpie. It's a
You're gonna go
Sharpie.
with the Sharpie?
It's a Sharpie.
Okay, Sharpie's your final answer. Okay.
That's chocolate.
Chocolates. What? Chocolate.
Cookies. Those smell like cookies.
You're gonna go with cookies.
Yes, those are cookies.
So we got dirty brushes.
Oh my god!
Dirty brushes.
We got a Sharpie. And then we got mini muffins. It's a
Oh, I was so
Those
close.
are so good.
It's a muffin.
That middle one was hard. I
The
had
Sharpie?
Yeah. This one, as soon as I smelled it, I was like,
Oh yeah, that smells gross.
it smells like dirty hair. I was like, dirty brushes.
Oh yeah, that was mine.
Okay,
Mine was the
that's a good
Sharpie
one.
and the brushes. Yeah.
Okay, Des is next. Des is 3 items here. There's 1.
Here's 2.
And here's 3.
I'm scared. I'm really nervous right now. Were you guys
ready?
No. Wait. Okay, I'm ready. What the fuck is that? That smells. Dirty sock or something? Why are you guys laughing? Is that a dirty sock? It smells like a dirty sock.
Okay, she said
good.
dirty
That
sock.
one with the dirty sock.
Okay, next one.
What is that? I know what that is. What is it? Horseradish? Something. Let me see. Smell it again. No. I need it again. Hold on, one more time. No. Just leave it. I swear I know what this is. I can't. You guys are laughing, so I can't.
Okay, again.
Okay, leave it there.
Final smell.
What is that? Dude, I know what that is, but I don't know.
Well then, take a wild guess.
Horseradish is your last guess.
Horseradish.
No, what is it? Alright, I'm just gonna go with horseradish because I have no idea what it is.
Okay, and then the final one.
Hey, put it back. What is that? I can't tell. I honestly can't tell. Yeah. I can't tell what that is.
What does it smell like?
I don't know. It doesn't smell like anything. It smells like weird. I really don't know what
We'll
it
take
is.
a wild guess.
Okay, put it back. I can't even smell it. It smells like a bunch of things mixed together. It smells like sweet, but it smells like gross at the same time.
That's strange.
Like sweet and gross.
Sweet and gross.
Like I don't know.
Sweet and gross, your final answer.
Sweet and gross is my final answer. Did you guys?
Oh, and my shoe.
That was the dirty sock.
So that was our what's that smell
That's our
challenge?
what's that smell
Yeah.
challenge.
I guess Des got the
What's that
hardest
smell?
one.
That was really hard. Who gave me the condom? Myra?
Me. Mine was the Caesar dressing and the condom.
Mine was the shoe.
And I already knew I was gonna give it to you.
Well, that was fun.
Yeah, we kind of just made this one up, but if you guys have anything in mind that you guys want to see, let us know down below in the comments. Be sure to subscribe.
Yeah.
Keep updated with us through Snapchat and Instagram. Snapchat.
Yeah, guys, we hope we at least made you smile or laugh.
Yeah.
Alright, guys.
We'll
Thanks
see
for
you when the
watching.
next one is out.
Yeah, you orange.
Oh,
Now I look red.
We're gonna be blindfolded.
fancy.
Ooh, you seen that?
fancy.
Fancy.
Myra, that's a good look for you. You should post a
Can
selfie
you
like
see
that.
anything?
No,
How many
Des.
fingers are we holding up?
I don't freaking know.
Okay, what about now?
Des.
Dude, imagine if Gabby was doing this challenge. She'd be going crazy, huh?
Guys, these are so good.
Okay.
Dude, are my eyelashes extra curly now? You're like,
Why is laughing so much? Why are you guys are bullying?
their relationship has gone to the next level now because of that. That bond
I
is
smelled
just.
Myra's dirty shoe.
Yeah, she smelled my shoe.